everyone, welcome back to a new video. In today's video I'm going to be recreating a set by the amazing Kylie Wary. Her nails are amazing. I'll link her Instagram in the description box below. So on Instagram she's doing a giveaway and I thought I would get involved. You have to recreate a set of hers, so I found one. I'll leave it up here. That's the one I'm going to be doing. These are all the products I am using. This glitter I've got here is called Stardust. It's a silver fine holographic glitter. I'm using these pearly flowers. I've picked out the bluey ones because that seemed to be the colour that she used in her set, but if you buy these pearly flowers you do get all sorts of different colours. They're from Nail Sugar too, and I'm going to be using the tiny dots from this cake pop dots from Nail Sugar also, and I am also using these holographic like iridescent flake things from Beauty Big Bang. They're really nice. I've had them for so long and they're really nice. You get loads of different colours. So fortunately she had done a YouTube video on this set, so I went and watched the video and now it's time to recreate. So on the pinky she put some flakes, so I'm putting the Beauty Big Bang flakes, and then over the top of the flakes I'm going to put some of that Stardust glitter just to give it a super holographic look. Then once I have done that I'm taking Rose Glow from Nails and I am blending that over the flakes and the glitter. I'm not going to go too far down, and I'm not too worried that I'm not that neat, because over the top of that we are going to put some of those pearly flowers, and we're going to cover the whole like free edge area with these. I absolutely adore these flowers. I love them. I'm going to put one more there. And now some of the flowers are sticking over the sides, but don't worry too much about that because you will just file the edges off anyway when you come to file the nails, so it's not the end of the world. I'm just putting a little bit of wet acrylic over those to keep them in place when I come to cap them in a minute, but I'm going to work on the other nails before I cap them. For this nail I am doing, I don't know what it is about Rose Glow from Nao, but it sets really quickly, and this nail bed I would have liked it to have been more extended. I was trying to extend it a bit more and it was just like, no, that's it, I've had it. So it's a shorter nail bed than I would have liked, but we're going to do the reverse smile line method. So I've done my smile line, then I'm going in with my cuticle bead. Yeah, I'll make a mess of this set, I don't know, it's bloody typical. Then I will leave that to set up, and then later on we're going to come back and file around the smile line just to make sure it's nice and neat and crisp. Deep and crisp and even. No, it's not Christmas yet. So that's that one. Now we're going to go on to the ring finger. This nail I'm using the Pixie nail powders, the pastel ones. I've got pastel blue, pastel pink and pastel green. I'm also making a tragically, that's probably not the right word. I'm making a mess. Don't do this with your client because you'll get it all on their cuticles and then you'll get lifting, and that's never a good thing. So to do the marble we are taking wet beads of green, pink and blue, and I don't like these because I find that they end up like they kind of smear into one colour. I'll show you in a minute. But look, I'm taking wet beads, I'm using the tip of my brush to marble it, and you can hardly see the marble. I'm going to put a bit more, I think I'll put blue in there. I made it a bit thick as well, but luckily I don't file through any of it, which is quite good. So she does an amazing swoosh. She can swoosh like a goddess, and I can't swoosh to save my life, but we're going to put a swoosh on here. We're going to put two swooshes actually. Just going to neaten up that bit with the pink. So she look at my messed up swoosh. What a flip. Actually that one wasn't too bad, right? I think it's the other fingernail that I do the swoosh on, and it's like, what? So that is Stardust glitter. Then I'm going over the top with two pearly flowers, and then following the swoosh on I'm taking some little tiny dots from that cake pop dots mix and putting it on the side of each flower. I'm putting two there because I could get two on there. Then I'm going to do another swoosh. This is more like a line. A line from left to right or right to left. Again, pop some, I was going to say stars, pop some flowers on. And then pop some of those little tiny dots from the cake pop dots either side of the flowers. There we go. And then I think I put some acrylic on to keep those, yeah. I just want to keep everything in place because when I come to cap, it will probably move, knowing my luck. And yeah, so if I do this, it won't move. There we go. Okay, so using my hand file, this is a 180 grit file, don't know where from. I think it was from my, actually, if I do win this, I really would like to win her. Kylie Wary has got these metal files that you just put the grits, you stick the yeah, anyway, she's got really good hand files. On the middle finger here, I have put some wet acrylic onto the tip. Now I'm putting some of those flakes on. My son is playing Fortnite and he's in second place and he's very excited about that, bless him. Now I'm putting over some Stardust glitter. This is that fine silver glitter, just to give it, you know, just, we want, you know, hollow's good. The more hollow the better, in my opinion. And then we're going to fill this in with some more of those bluey coloured pearly flowers. I love these so much. He just said no, I don't think he won. Bless him. He came third yesterday, right? This is Fortnite, right? Battle Royale. I think he came third yesterday and he was absolutely gutted. I was like, babe, you came third. That's brilliant. I'd come last. Right, and then again, I'm putting a little bit of wet acrylic over those to keep them all in place for when I come back to cap them. Now this one, right, I think you're going to see better here what I mean with these acrylics. So we're putting the blue on. And then I'm going to put a bit more blue on. Then we go in with the green. I'm blending that bit out because I don't want that to be, I want that to be nice and thin there. So I'm going to put the green where that blend is, and then I'm going to blend that down. But the green looks blue and the blue looks green. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, I think he's lost, bless him. Hang on a minute, let me come back to you. He came second, which is brilliant. I've given him a bit of a pep talk and he's going to try again. Yes. So right, if you imagine this as a shorter now, if you put the blue and the green and blended them together, you'd probably not see the blue and the green blend, would you? Tiny bit of pink up there. And then we're going to do a swoosh. Now this is the, I've put a little bit of blue on the bottom because it looked, oh, I don't know, I don't like them. That's all I'm going to say. So yeah, we're going to do a swoosh, right? Now my swooshes are absolutely shite. So this is going to be, we're going to do one swoosh on this, right? So swoosh, 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 swoosh. Why did I start there? I don't know. I should have started from the middle. I'm going to try and clean it up now. I muck it up by trying to clean it up. It's all going horribly wrong. So I get a bit more glitter. And yeah, that was just so terrible. Okay, now it's okay now, but it's not great. So now we're going to put some more flowers on, following that swoosh, and then we're going to put some of those little dots from the Cake Pop dot mix. I do really like this set. It's very pretty. I thought I showed it to my friend who's going to do this as well, and she was like, yeah, that's a you set. So I was like, yeah, we're gonna have to do that. Okay, so that is that. So I had to do a thumb because she said she needed to do 5 nails. Don't usually like doing a thumb, and actually neither does she, I found out from watching her videos. So she said that the thumb was the same as the pinky, so I've done the same. Encapsulated in clear, filed and buffed, and now we are going to top coat them, which is the best time, and it's top coat time. It's not just the best time, it's top coat time. I'm using my Premier Gel High Shine top coat because I'm trying to use up all my old stuffs. Out with the old, in with the new, don't they say? Is that what they say? Out with the old? Yes, they do. Yes, it says. Not that I've got much new stuff, but I cannot wait to get my not polished stuff. I am absolutely flipping buzzing. It just, you know, when you want something to come and it just like seems like it's taking forever, and it's probably not. It's just because I'm very impatient. Never mind. Look at these pearly flowers though. I love them. I love this nail too. I just wish that extended nail bed was a bit more extended. Doesn't look very extended to me. I love the flakes behind the flowers too. Very nice. See this, look, they're supposed to be pink there. It doesn't look pink, does it? I don't know. I'm just not a fan of those. Initially I was like, oh yeah, these are really good, but then you have to use something more than once, in my opinion, you need to use it a few times before you can decide whether, you know, you like it or not. There are pros and cons of everything. And with those powders, I just felt like the cons outweighed the pros. So yes, not for me. Anyway, stop moaning. This is the finished set. I hope you like them. If you did, please leave me a like. If you haven't already, do consider subscribing. I'm going to show you them a bit more close up here. Aren't they nice? I love her design. Oh, yes, please. Ta-da. So there we go. I'll leave her Instagram link in the description box below, and go and check her out. And I am going to post a video tomorrow because I forgot to post one on Monday. Oh, okay, see you guys tomorrow. Love you.